Well, g'day guys, welcome to the channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today's a bit different video, isn't it? Yeah, that's because I haven't got a video for you. We've had a little bit of a hiccup this end with my wife Kimmy. She's just had open heart surgery, so I've been off the grid for a little while, and I thought, well, I'll give you this video to just let you know. Yes, there's more videos coming for those waiting on the series of the Technics turntables. We've got lots and lots of radios sort of in the balance, almost half done. A 112 there, Philips, we need to get onto it. And there's lots of other radios that we've got to get onto. I've got a big list, and especially customer jobs as well. We've got our reading lamp with the little LED controller chip that we've got to finish as well. So guys, I just thought I'd give you an update on what's happening for my regulars out there. If you're not a regular, have a look through my videos. I might put a link here, which, probably up there somewhere, of one of my first restores. And boy, it was a toughie. It came from Rob in Canberra. I think he still follows me on YouTube. Hope he does. And it was a big restore. So we got it done. It wasn't perfect when it was finished, but it was damn close, and it goes like a charm still. So, yeah, have a look at that one. Have a look through my early stuff. There's lots of odd, interesting videos in there. If you haven't subscribed, hit the bell, subscribe, hit the bell, because hitting the bell will notify you with a push notification or whatever to let you know that I've got a new video up. So, yeah, it's important, but the more important things on YouTube are the likes, apparently. Keeps the channel flowing and spreads it out. So apparently it works, the algorithms. I don't know how all this works. So apparently the likes are the main thing with YouTube. So I hear. Okay, well, that's it, guys. I'm sorry for the bit of a hiccup. I like making videos. I like showing you what I do. I've got lots of customer repairs, so we should be in for some good videos where we've got faults to start with and diagnose and get things moving. There's lots of odd things too, not just radio, but I like my valve radios. I like doing them. And we also have quite a few vintage TVs to do at the moment. So we'll have to get onto that. So, yeah. And they range from little transistor ones that haven't been used, that are new, haven't been used for 30 years, up to a more modern Panasonic, which is a really nice TV. All CRT stuff, of course. No LCDs or anything like that. I don't see them as TVs, I see them as monitors. Okay. Anyway, guys, there it is. That's the situation at the moment. But I'll be back pretty soon once I get back to my workshop, which could be a week or so away, once I get Kimmy back home. And we'll be into more videos. So until then, we'll catch us on the next one. And check out my first video. It's interesting. Okay? We'll catch us then. Bye for now.